Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can save on Google Sites without publishing. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, we're gonna go to Google Sites or sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once logged in, from the main dashboard, we're gonna select and start a new site. Could be a blank site, portfolio, family update, event. So let's choose one. Now, once you're inside your site, as you can see, it is still untitled. So let's make a few changes. I'm gonna add workspace here. I'm gonna enter a site name. And let's add a few content blocks. Now, after all the changes, as you can see on the top corner, you will see all changes saved in Drive. So, once you exit this, all the changes that you've done will be saved without publishing it. So, to exit, go to the top left corner and click on Sites Home on this icon right here. Click on it. So, as you can see, this is the site that we just did. Now let's open another site. And then, click here again to go back, and we will check if the site that we just did earlier in the video has already changed or has all the changes that we did saved on it. So let's open this again. And as you can see, the changes that we did earlier in this video has already been saved in Drive without publishing it yet. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!